Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. We've been to the POP MART store at Central World. Watch my other video if you haven't. Now let's visit the newer store at Siam Square. Siam Square is widely regarded as the heart of Bangkok's shopping and entertainment scene, a vibrant and dynamic area that caters to a diverse crowd, from trendy teenagers and university students to international tourists, which makes it the perfect spot for a huge POP MART store. New arrivals and special edition products are displayed on the first floor. POP MART is a popular store known for its collectible designer toys, often sold in a blind box format. This means you don't know exactly which specific toy from a series you're getting until you open the box, adding an element of surprise and excitement for collectors. Thailand has also seen exclusive merchandise, particularly for characters like Labubu and Crybaby, sometimes featuring Thai-specific designs. You can expect to find a wide range of their popular blind box series, featuring characters like Labubu, Molly, Hirono, Skull Panda, and Crybaby. The blind box model, coupled with frequent new releases and limited editions, creates a strong drop culture similar to streetwear, driving repeat purchases and a vibrant secondary market for rare figures. POP MART stores are designed to enhance this experience, often with eye-catching displays and oversized character installations. Now join me in walking around the Siam Square store and in our unboxing towards the end of the video. While in the Siam area, you may visit another POP MART store at Siam Center. Now it's time to unbox our purchases.
Wait, does she not have any more diapers? She only has two? Sa night market na kayo sasama? Oo. So, hindi kami gusto dito. This is what it is. It's an apple.
Oh, the haircut!
The haircut? Oh, you like the haircut one too? It's crazy.
Oh my god! Same here.
It's cute.
Okay, put him there.
Where's his car? Where's his car?
Okay, no, get it.
Wait, what's your price? What would you like to get?
Toby likes this.
You like him?
Yeah.
I didn't like it. That's why I picked it.
Kasi ganito siya mismo eh.
Net siya kahit sa dinosaur.
Nasa likod.
Oo.
Secret.
Pwede mong nabilis na si Angel.
Secret na lang.
Okay.
Saan ka na?
Dito.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Mahal pa naman nun. Dalawa na yung mga trono.
Gosh, I'll make it a secret. I'll make it a secret, bro.
Mahal na yung maliit ako.
I'll be happy with whatever, even if it's not. And it's gonna be secret. It's gonna be secret. I don't know what it is. We have to look at the secret. Me too, but.
Ay,
Oh
what's
my gosh, I think it's. I saw the color scheme. I don't like it. Okay, okay. I'm gonna get this blue stuff, bro. I'm gonna get this blue stuff.
What's that?
It's Yusuf.
Oh, it's
Yung kaisa-isang ayaw niya is the only one you did want.
No, I didn't want Nami. I didn't want Nami. I would have been trying to blue stuff at least.
You got Yusuf.
Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe. See you on the next video.